Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to save part of drawing from AutoCAD model space. I will show you step by step procedure. To save this, go to any drawing on my desktop. So I am to save this drawing. To save this drawing, I just select uh, by left click, save this drawing separately a part of drawing. You need right block command. To right block command, type WBC. So pick the point. Okay. Now select the object. Press enter and give the shown path where you want to save this file name and path. You want to save in desktop. File name and file should be saved as I named. Go to desktop and open. The drawing is saved from other. So here we can save our drawing from various items or components. Thank you guys. Hope that this video will help with your daily work.